One ticket.
One ticket. All right, please put the money from here, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome.
We're gonna pay 50 cents for a ferry all the way to over here. But what's the actual plan? I think we're gonna go get a rental car, and then second, we're gonna go to the forest, and we're gonna try to find some cool waterfalls. So that'll be super sick. Excited. What a time to be alive.
Yeah, waking up really early, you know, you just like feel so good about yourself and productive.
Yeah, like there's so much we can do and other people will still be asleep. This is our 7th Uber? I don't know, but this should be the last Uber we ever have to take. Maybe the next Uber.
Passion tea lemonade with apple juice.
Ooh, that sounds frutas.
Americano with 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 2 pumps of sugar-free.
We're back in America. We got a Starbucks.
They're just like that, and then like.
Honestly, it's probably a caramel macchiato. It's just a little out of my price range. You know, if it was cheaper, I would totally get it. But I'm gonna have to go with the plain bagel.
It looks really good.
This because, oh no. This is called a plain bagel. Because it is very plain until you put cream cheese on it.
I took a dump over there in the bathroom down the hall, and it is a very fine bathroom, and the hand towels are very soft. It was nice. After, before that, we were negotiating with the rental car guy, and basically we were planning on getting 2 cars, but what happened is that we were expecting that we would get like rates cut out because of our AAA membership. The guy's like, no, that doesn't apply in Puerto Rico. We're like, what?
2018, brand new.
Ooh, 2018.
Yeah. Straight. Oh, take the areas. Yes, sir. Take it back and forth like that.
That's what I said.
We're trying to find our rental car, but I feel like we're just gonna end up stealing someone else's car. Wait, this is a van? Yo, homie, check out my whip. Oh, that's a nice whip.
So I'm vlogging or whatever right now because Andrew told me to. I'm not quite sure what to say. Oh, they said there was like, you learn things about your friends all the time, like new things every day. That's what about this trip, like, or that's the cool thing about this trip. Like, I didn't know he has an obsession with, what did you say?
Keeping them clean.
Keeping his
short.
nails
Like,
clean and
having
short.
long fingernails. It just bugs me.
Hola. ¿Cómo está? Bien, mire, pregunta, estamos tratando de llegar a Las Pailas, so we have to go back down, and she says to just veer right.
25 to use el baño.
We're at, what is it? Pailas? Las Pailas waterfalls, and it's gonna be
Mucho lit.
major lit.
Perfect amount of energy, sweetness, crunchiness, softness, meltedness, chocolate.
Perfect.
I'm a little worried about that.
Oh, wait.
I don't even want to bring my tank top. Do you see what we're seeing, bro? Because it's pretty. Let's get to the waterfall. We're stoking.